Now, after that, what happened? The author addresses of the newborn liberty, and he thanked all the international guests that he said they had come there to be with his countrymen, and it was the common victory for justice, peace, and human dignity. He pledged to liberate his people from poverty, suffering, and discrimination. Basically, here the author also mentioned this in his speech, where he said that everyone by his presence was giving rise to hope for a new beginning, and previous ruler means the who was before him, the previous ruler, they were discriminatory and lasted for long, but the ones who are given the opportunity to rule now would stand up against discrimination. And he is just glad to host a ceremony with the presence of global leaders, and it is an achievement in itself. So here he said that there was a time when South Africa, for practicing apartheid, lost all its international political relationships, but now when there is no segregation on the basis of race and gender, other nations are also happy to have healthy democratic relationships. So finally they have come to power, and they pledge to make everyone proud. And he thanked everyone, especially the international leaders, for joining them in celebrating the achievement, which is a step towards an equal society where human will be treated fairly. So now, after that, he mentioned also that after great struggle, they have finally achieved political freedom, and his government promised to free everyone of still existing poverty, hardship, and inequalities of all kind, along with assuring everyone for a country where no community will be considered inferior also. And then exclaimed that freedom should rule, and may God shower his blessing on their land. Means on their land refers here to South Africa. So after a few moments, colorful South African jets and helicopters flew over the Union buildings there, and it was for military loyalty. Okay, that was for military loyalty that they flew to democracy for a new government. Okay, and that was a sign of joy. So then the highest military general, having medals on their chest, saluted the author here, Nelson Mandela. Okay, and he thought that they would have arrested him many years before. So what does that signifies? What does that implies? That it symbolizes perfection as well as military respect and obedience toward the free country. And the high commanders means the military leaders who have won medals for their bravery also saluted and promised their loyalty. So here Nelson Mandela mentioned that he was well aware that these commanders who were now saluting him would have arrested him under the previous rule as during the oppressive white supremacy. Okay, and he was considered to be a criminal. So the air show finally ended by making of the South African flag in the sky from smoke beneath the jets. Okay. Now the day symbolized for me by the playing of two national anthems and the vision of white singing. So here the author remembered the day as the playing of two national anthems of the country, one of the whites and other that of blacks. On that day, no one knew the wordings of the anthem of the blacks, but Nelson Mandela was confident that everyone would soon learn this anthem that they once hated.